Hey guys, this is Ezzadine here from Raqmedia.com. In today's tutorial, we will help you get free storage by installing Google Drive. Welcome back. How many times have you done the file shuffle? You know, the one where you email a document to yourself only to realize you sent the wrong version. Or you save something to your laptop, but you desperately need it on your work computer. Enough. And that madness should be over. What if I told you there's a way to make every single one of your files available on every single one of your devices instantly? And I'm not just talking about saving them to the cloud. I'm talking about having your entire Google Drive, every document, every spreadsheet, every terabyte of data appear right here in your computer's file explorer without actually filling up your hard drive. That's the magic of Google Drive for desktop. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install it, set it up, and use its secret power user feature that will save you a ton of local storage space. Let's get into it. First, what is this thing? Google Drive for Desktop is a free application that bridges the gap between your computer and your Google Cloud storage. It makes your online drive look and act like a local hard drive on your PC or Mac. But here's the best part. It's smart. You can choose to have it stream your files. This means you can see all 500 gigabytes of your data, but it only downloads a file to your computer when you actually click on it. It's a total game changer for anyone with a laptop that has a small SSD. So, how do you get it? Step 1. Head to the official Google Drive download page. I'll put a direct link in the description below so you don't have to search for it. Step 2. Download and run the installer. It's an exe file, and the installation is completely silent. No complicated wizards, I promise. Step 3. Sign in with your Google account. This can be your personal Gmail or your work Google Workspace account. Once you're in, you'll see a new Google Drive folder right here in your file system. That's it, you're now connected. But wait, we need to talk about the most important setting, the one that makes this app so powerful. Right-click the Drive icon in your system tray and go to Preferences. Under Google Drive, you'll see two options. The first is Stream Files. This is the one I recommend for most of you. With this, all your files appear as placeholders with little cloud icons. They don't take up space. You double-click, they download, you work on them, and the changes sync back to the cloud. It's genius. The second is Mirror Files. This is the old school way, where it downloads a full copy of everything to your computer. Only use this if you absolutely need every file available offline at all times. My advice, stick with Stream Files. It's the killer feature. So what's the final verdict? Pros, it saves a massive amount of local storage. The integration is seamless, and accessing shared drives for teamwork is a breeze. It's the ultimate tool for a cross-platform workflow. Cons, you need an internet connection to access files you haven't made available offline. And some very old, non-cloud native desktop apps might get confused by a streamed file. But for 99% of users, the pros massively outweigh the cons. If you're ready to end the file shuffle chaos forever, click that link in the description. Download Google Drive for Desktop and make your digital life infinitely simpler. This wraps up our video. Thanks for tuning in to Raqmedia. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and podcast series on Spotify to stay updated with the latest from the world of tech. Till then, this is your host, Ezzadine. Stay curious and stay techie. Peace.